Ooh, ooh. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shares Guitar and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. This tutorial I want to look at an easy beginner tutorial for worship. If you want to worship, do worship with the acoustic guitar, this video will be the best for you. I'm going to pick two simple songs, two common songs. If you're an African, you're familiar with Adonai, and I've seen from my previous content that Adonai has the highest views, and it seems people are more interested in learning how to play such songs. So I'm going to use this tutorial to show you how to play Adonai and Kadosh. I chose these two songs because they have the same time signature, three beats per three beats per minute. So we're going to use this, not 3 beats per minute. So it has 3/4 time signature. So I want to use I'm using a metronome, and this sound is actually coming from BandLab. So if you check my previous tutorial on how I use the pushing, yeah, so that's how come I've been able to sort of improve it. It's not actually perfect, but it's good. Yeah. So I'll be using D for this tutorial. So you have to have your capo on the second fret so that your index finger will be on the D note. Yeah. So the chords that I will show will be in terms of the capo. So if you see C, it means D. So if you remember from the Adonai tutorial, Adonai, 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 Adonai. So that's the first song. I'm actually using 130 beats per minute for this video. So in case you want to try on your own, you can look at it. From the rising of the sun. So I'm going to show the chords only for this moment, but when we do the whole worship flow for these two songs, I'm not going to show the chords. So pay attention to this part. Then you can play along for that part. To the setting of the same, your name is to be hallowed. Adonai. So then I'll go to Kadosh, 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 we worship you. So I'll do the 6, 6, 5, 4, 5, then 6. So just simple like that. Kadosh, 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 we worship you. Kadosh, 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 we worship you. Then hallelujah for 1, 5. Then 4, Kadosh, we were 5, then 6, hallelujah, hallelujah, 4, 1, 5, then 4, then 5, and the 6, hallelujah, 5, 4, 1, sorry, 4, then 5 and the 6. Hallelujah. So you can play along whilst you're playing the chords. If you've watched my tutorial on how to play, I don't know if I've made a tutorial on that, how to play the notes at the same time playing the chord. So you can just try and look for the notes. It can actually add some quality to your music. So now we're going to start from the top. I think I missed the metronome at some point. Yeah. If you are still watching this far, leave in the comment section. If you are still here, leave in the comment section that you are still here, and let me know your thoughts so far, and if there's anything you want me to add. But let's get right into the tutorial. Adonai, 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 Adonai. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same, your name is to be hallowed. Adonai. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same, your name is to be hallowed. Adonai. Oh, Adonai. Adonai. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same, your name is to be hallowed. Adonai. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same, your name is to be hallowed. Adonai. Oh, Adonai, Adonai, yeah, Adonai. Kadosh, 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 we worship you. Kadosh, 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 we worship you. Oh, Kadosh, 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 we worship you. Kadosh, 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 we worship you. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Kadosh, we worship you. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Kadosh, we worship you. Yahweh, 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 we worship you. Yahweh, 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 we worship you. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Yahweh, we worship you. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Yahweh, we worship you. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same, your name is to be hallowed. Adonai. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same, your name is to be hallowed. Adonai, Adonai, Kadosh, we worship you. Adonai, Kadosh, we worship you. Adonai, Kadosh, we worship you. Adonai, oh Adonai, yeah. It seems like I've reached the maximum number of minutes I can record. This is surprising. This is the first time I'm noticing this in BandLab. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video so far, and don't forget to subscribe and give a like and share comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think, and was this tutorial helpful? Thank you, and see you next time.